your tool review of the week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
So this is really awesome. Actually, I had a branch that I had to cut up in my backyard, and I actually used this tool. It's the DeWalt version. It's the Flex Bolt. I actually threw everyone a little curveball from last week because I featured the Milwaukee one to, basically say, this is the one that is comparable to this one. I don't really see any real difference from this one versus the, from the DeWalt versus the Milwaukee. The only thing I was really amazed with on this one is the power with that Flex Bolt 60. I mean, it felt like it was plugged in, like it felt like a full-on electric chainsaw. They say it actually outcuts a gas-powered one, and I believe it. I mean, it took that branch out quick, and it's kind of small, and it's kind of, just there's some things that you might consider just like a little wonky, not really super strong. But the thing I really liked is over on the right, it has that battery display, and I really like that because when you're sitting there cutting, that's what you're looking at, and with the DeWalt, with the battery power of the DeWalt, you don't even really have to look at the battery power. I went and cut up probably 3-4 branches, and it didn't even break one bar with that. I told James too, one of my reviews, I bought a Flex Bolt 60 Flex Bolt for $100, and it was a 9 amp hour, and that thing just tears it up. So yeah, so I appreciate it,